Hello everybody and welcome to my very green new office. For the first time from the new office I'm going to be doing LudumDare this weekend. This is LudumDare number 45. It's become something, a tradition for me to take part in these, and I'm quite looking forward to it. For those of you who don't know what it is, LudumDare is a 48-hour game jam where thousands of developers take part and you'll have to make a game by yourself from scratch in 48 hours. I typically live stream the whole thing, and I typically make a time lapse afterwards showing the game being made. You might show up in there if you're in the chat, because I have a little chat overlay. We hang out, we make a game, we have a good time. It's usually quite fun. I'll be streaming this all over Twitch this time, okay? So that's twitch.tv/SeanJS if you want to follow along with the stream. I won't be streaming it live on YouTube, but I will make sure that the video, I will do my best to make sure that the footage goes up to YouTube after the fact, and we'll also have hopefully a cool time lapse from it later as well. Those of you all still asking about the action RPG tutorial, it's still on its way. As I said, it's going to take a long time, but we are getting there now with it. We've got a whole bunch of new stuff in it. This is it at the moment. We've got most of the animations are now done. We've got these cool new bat enemies. They hit you. You can hit things. They break in a coin. You can pick stuff up, throw stuff, throw bombs, all kinds of cool stuff in this. It's getting there now. We can cut grass and stuff in it as well. It's all getting there. There's still a bit to do, but most of the hard stuff is out of the way, and we're just kind of getting it all cleaned up now. So that's what's going on with that. So again, if you want to come along for LudumDare this weekend, that's twitch.tv/SeanJS, and I will be streaming tomorrow at some point throughout the day. We'll be going over the themes that are available to vote on, and just talking about them, maybe play some other people's games and just hang out for a bit and just sort of build the hype. And then I'll be streaming most of the weekend. The only times I won't be streaming is when I'm either asleep or, I don't know, out eating food or whatever. I'll probably have like a BRB thing up on the stream. Thanks guys, hope to see you there. Bye bye.